Okay, so today we're going to talk not all things computers, but we're going to talk about some techie stuff today. And so my name is Aaron Parker. Most people call me Mr. Aaron, and I have my partner in crime with me here, Jonathan, and he's going to be my assistant slash why is this not working, Mr. Aaron kind of guy. And so what we're going to do, I want to introduce to you some things that pretty much what I talk to you about is some of the things that I do on my job or when I'm just doing things in the computer world, the computer industry, things that I come across, I like to share them with you. And one of the things that we're going to share, that I want to share with you, this is called, I'm here, Mr. Jonathan here. You just hold that. This is called a Faraday bag. And some of you may be familiar with a Faraday bag. And what these Faraday bags do, they protect your iPhone from hackers and people that's trying to hack into your phone. Say, for instance, if you are in Rome or you just around your store or anything like that, a store or anything, or you go to bed at night, or you in a high uh, type of crime area, or even if you're not in a high type of crime area, you're in an area where people can spoof uh, get onto your phone when you don't know it. When you pop this phone, or you can pop your laptop into these Faraday bags, and it automatically protects your phone. Nobody can call you. Your Wi-Fi and everything just automatically shuts down when you drop it in this bag, just like this. And so we're going to put this to the test because I'm going to have the producer. Can you open that one up, Jonathan? So the Faraday bags come in all different kind of sizes. I have my personal iPad that can fit into here. And when you drop this in the Faraday bag, it's like it's like in a top secret room. Can't nobody get into your can't nobody get into your data or anything like that. Certain people, these are good if you're traveling and you're in a hotel. You can drop this in a Faraday bag. Here, just put that in there, Jonathan, real quick. And you can drop that in the Faraday bag when you go to bed at night. If somebody walking the halls and just trying to search and find people's internet or stuff like that, they won't find yours. Okay, so we're going to put this to the test and see if this works. Okay, so Jonathan, take that out the Faraday bag if you would, please. And then we're going to have Roberto, our producer. He's going to he's going to give me a call, and I'm going to turn this on so you can hear it ring here. Okay, so Jonathan, Roberto, just give us a call and we're gonna see if this rings here. Michael. All right. Can you guys hear that? Okay, so it's actually ringing. That's Roberto calling me. So now, as you can see, he's giving me a call, and so now I'm gonna hang up on him. Not that I have anything against him or anything like that. Just gonna hang up on him. All right. All right. So now we'll put that in the bag. B, do you have your phone? My wife is on the side. She's an audience. Do you have your phone with you, baby? Can I see it real quick? Oh no, you no. You know what? I'm gonna have you give me a call. Okay. All right. Okay. So Jonathan, hold on. Go ahead and do what you're doing, baby. Go ahead and continue doing what you're doing. I'm gonna have Roberto give me a call. Okay. So Roberto, I now Roberto is mic'd up too. So go ahead and call me, Roberto, and then you can let me know if and I'm gonna put this bag up here to see. Okay, so now it's ringing. So the Faraday bag is not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Let me
Okay,
hang
hang
it
on
up.
there.
Okay, so now let me close this
Hmm.
like this because this is a good test. There you go. Jonathan's the man. He know how to do it. All right. Okay, so now try it. Now I know my Faraday bags work, but I bought these. There you go. So it did work. Yeah. Now, see, now it did not work before Jonathan. So open it back up again, Jonathan, just so you could show the audience here how it was before when he called. There you go. Okay, so now just leave it in the back like that and then hold it up to the camera right here. That's how we had it at first when Roberto called me. Okay. So you can't have it like this. You just can't drop it in the bag because, see, these waves here can still get down into the bag. You know, those Wi-Fi signals can still get down in here and make that phone call. But when Jonathan, go ahead and hold it up like that, Jonathan, and then fold it so they can see how you fold it. Jonathan fold it down like that, and then he sealed it. And now nothing can get in that Faraday bag. And then it didn't work. So what did it say, Roberto, when you called? Or do you want to try it again? We just want the listening
It
audience
just sent me straight to voicemail.
to send you straight to
Hmm.
voicemail. It didn't say anything like can't the call. It didn't say anything that you couldn't get the call or anything like that.
No.
Okay. And so here, same thing that applies with your laptop. My laptop can go in this Faraday bag, and I just can't leave it up open like that. You got to do just like what Jonathan did. Fold it like this and fold it like that, and then you're good to go. And you got the little handle here and everything. So Faraday bags come in different shapes and sizes, okay? And then get this. There are some stores that are making some of their rooms out of this Faraday material. So when they go into a room, you know, they don't have to worry about Wi-Fi signals coming in or anything. So this Faraday material is going a very, very long way, you know, because this material, if it can, you know, I got out the military in 1995, but I'm just thinking if this material is just like this, you know, I could just imagine what they're using this stuff for in the military. You know, they may be using it for, you know, close support operations where they could set up a tent or they could set up a type of bag that they can get into it and seal themselves up, Velcro themselves up in like a little bag. And so whatever stuff that they have on them, all that stuff shuts down when they go to bed at night or what have you. So this Faraday material may be used for a whole lot of stuff. Okay, so that's our tech tip for today. And I'll be coming to you with more um, shall I say, good stuff that I do on my job or in the IT field. Sometimes in the next couple of weeks or in the next podcast. Okay, thank you for joining us. Bye bye.